Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was known for her bright pink nose and her love of adventure. She loved to explore and play with her friends, chasing butterflies and sniffing wildflowers. One sunny day, Rosie decided to explore a new part of the forest. She hopped over a sparkly stream and under a tall oak tree, where she found a hidden path she had never seen before. The path was winding and narrow, and Rosie felt a thrill of excitement as she wondered where it might lead. As she wandered down the path, Rosie met a friendly fairy named Lily. Lily had wings as delicate as a butterfly and hair as bright as the sun. She was perched on a toadstool, sipping nectar from a flower. "Welcome, Rosie," said Lily, smiling. "I've been waiting for you. I need your help on a very important quest." Rosie's ears perked up excitedly. "What is it?" she asked, her curiosity piqued. "The forest is losing its magic," said Lily, her face serious. "The flowers are fading, and the animals are losing their spark. I need your help to find the source of the problem and fix it." Rosie nodded bravely. "I'm ready for the challenge," she said, her heart pounding with excitement. Together, Rosie and Lily set off on their quest. They walked through fields of tall grass, crossed rickety bridges, and climbed over mossy rocks. Along the way, they met all sorts of creatures, each with their own special talents. There was Benny the beaver, who was brilliant at building and fixing things. There was Sammy the squirrel, who was super fast and agile. And there was Olwen the owl, who was wise and knew all about the forest's secrets. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, they discovered that the problem was a big, gray cloud that had settled over the land. The cloud was making everything dull and gray, and the animals were losing their magic. Rosie and Lily knew they had to chase the cloud away. So, they worked together, using Rosie's quick thinking and Lily's fairy magic. Benny built a machine to blow the cloud away, while Sammy used his speed to gather ingredients for a special potion. Olwen used her wisdom to guide them and make sure they were on the right track. Slowly but surely, the cloud began to lift. The sun came out, and the forest was once again filled with color and light. The animals cheered, and the flowers bloomed brighter than ever before. But just as they thought they had solved the problem, a mischievous imp appeared out of nowhere. "Ha ha ha," he cackled. "You may have chased the cloud away, but I'm the one who made it appear in the first place." Rosie and Lily gasped in surprise. "Who are you?" Rosie asked, her voice firm. "I am Pixie, the forest trickster," said the imp, grinning. "And I love to play pranks on my friends." Lily smiled sweetly. "Well, Pixie, we're glad you're our friend. But next time, please don't play pranks that hurt the forest." Pixie nodded, looking a bit sheepish. "I promise I'll be more careful in the future. And to make up for it, I'll help you with your next adventure." And with that, Rosie, Lily, Benny, Sammy, Olwen, and Pixie all became the best of friends and went on to have many more exciting adventures together. They explored hidden caves, helped lost creatures find their way, and even discovered a secret garden hidden deep in the forest. From that day on, Rosie and her friends were known as the bravest and most clever group in the forest. And they lived happily ever after, always ready for their next adventure together.